Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg wears the same color t-shirt, grey color t-shirt every day. So what, sir? Isn't this channel supposed to be about, learning methods? Why are you wasting my time? Why should I know about somebody's fashion sense? I'm unsubscribing from this channel. Wait, give me about 3 4 minutes to explain to you why. Sir, I will not wear the same color t shirt every day. That's alright. I'm not going to ask you to wear the same color t shirt. But I want to talk about the science behind it and how it can benefit every student. Okay, I'm listening. Go ahead, sir. Alright. You know what? Mark Zuckerberg's mentor, Steve Jobs, also used to wear the same color t shirt every day. Okay, he used to wear blue colored jeans and some gray colored t-shirt or blue colored t-shirt every day. In most of his presentations, he was like that. He used to come to office like that. Okay. You know what? Our sages in the ancient India and even now used to always wear orange colored, bhagwa colored clothes or white colored clothes. Is there something going on here? Is there a scientific basis to this? Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg are world's richest people. They can, afford best of the clothes, best of the fashion, styling, etc. But they choose very simple clothes. I don't know, sir. You tell me, why do they do that? Again, I'm listening. All right, all right. I'm coming to the point. See, every day when we, decide to study, we make lots of decisions. Decisions like you're planning, what should I study today, what am I going to study in the week, what all should I cover in different parts of the day, right? And then we have to decide whether I have to do it from this book or that book. You have tons of material, you have lots of videos on YouTube, you have lots of video courses, lots of decisions that you have to take when you're studying. Okay, so then what is the point? The point is that your brain has to decide between a lot of things. When the brain takes simple decisions like what to wear, what to eat, which book to study from, what time to study, etc., etc., then a lot of energy goes into taking these small decisions. Now it feels very easy to decide, okay, I want to wear a yellow colored cloth or a 12 orange colored cloth or blue colored cloth, but even deciding this small aspect takes away some amount of energy from your brain. So what Mark Zuckerberg tells you is that he wants to minimize and simplify his life in taking those decisions. He doesn't want to decide between what he wants to eat for a day. He doesn't want to decide between what clothes he wants to wear. He has a set calendar that he follows every day so that the maximum amount of energy can go to Facebook. And similar was the thought process of Steve Jobs. So for a student, how this can benefit is that the students do not have to decide too many things. If you have too much of study material, that's bad. You should have one fixed study material to study from and then certain reference books. In case you're not able to understand from your main book, you should then study from reference book to correct those or find out those missing pieces of information, right? Second thing, you should not be made to decide what plan you have to follow for the day, what books you have to follow, what study material. So if you want to minimize, if you can minimize your decision making, suppose you create a plan 1 week ahead and you decide your study slot hours, it will be beneficial. But sir, in some of your videos you told us that you should make the plan every day, and I have been following that and it has been useful. Yes. See, that's why planning is useful. So if you plan for every day, that's great, because then you don't have to take a decision in the afternoon as to what should I study now and what time should I study for, what, how many hours should I study. So if you have everything done, everything planned in the morning, you don't have to decide throughout the day, and that will save your energy. Similarly, if you have certain amount of plan, a high level plan, not a detailed plan, a high level plan done already in the week's time, then it will be easier for you to make a plan in the morning as to what you want to do. And similarly, if you can minimize your material and also ease your life instead of taking too many decisions, if every simple decision like which color toothbrush should I use, what clothing I should use, what should I eat, everything, If you leave, so when you were a child you would leave it to your parents, they would decide it for you. Now you are deciding it for yourself, so you expend energy there. So you can have a mentor who decides your planning, it becomes a lot easier. But if you want to plan yourself as well, you should minimize the decisions, you should simplify the entire preparation, so that you can take and focus your energies towards mainly focusing on your subject matter. Hope the video was useful. More coming soon. So do subscribe to this channel to support us, and also share this video with your young sisters and brothers who might be needing help about their own preparation and their own studies. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Take care. Bye.